Hello everyone, welcome to science class for 9th standard. I am Shanu Sagar, chemistry teacher. So let us start the syllabus. This is a science 9th class syllabus. In 9th class there are 5 units, unit wise. First unit is matter, its nature and behavior, it is of 23 marks. Second unit is organization in the living world, that is 20 marks. Third unit is motion, force and work, it is of 27 marks. Fourth unit is our environment, 6 marks. And fifth, food and its production, it is of 4 marks. So in these 5 units, first is chemistry, second unit is biology, third unit is physics, fourth and fifth are biology. So total 80 marks are covered in this, and including 20 assignment marks, you will get 100 marks for exam structure. So let us start the content in this class. In 9th class, there are total 15 syllabus, 15 chapters are there. So first 4 chapters are chemistry, and I am going to deal with the chemistry chapters for you. So first 2 chapters are related to matter and its surroundings, and the matter around us, pure, whether it is solid, liquid, gas, and the distribution of matter. We are going to study in these 2 chapters. Third and fourth related to atoms and molecules and its structure, discoveries of proton, neutron, electron, everything. We are going to learn in these 2 chapters, third and fourth. So before going to start with the first lesson, let us start some basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, this is the introduction to chemistry. Before going to learn chemistry, what is chemistry? We know that what is science? Science is systematic study of knowledge, and science is divided into 3 subtopics, that is physics, parts, that is physics, chemistry, biology. So we are going to deal with chemistry today. So chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition, structure and properties of matter and the changes which the matter undergoes under different conditions. So here we are going to learn about the matter and its structure, and that changes in different conditions we are going to learn in this lesson. In previous class you learned about the metals, non-metals, synthetic materials, and about coal and petroleum and everything. So those all, whatever you studied, those all related to matter. So here in this lesson we are going to study about the matter. So before going to start the lesson, you are going to see a scientist here. He is the father of chemistry, Antoine Lavoisier. So next we'll start about the basics of chemistry, that is elements. What is an element? See, we know that gold in our daily life, gold, silver, aluminum, iron, whatever we are seeing, they are called as elements. As English letters are made up of, or it is written 26 alphabets are there. So like chemistry is without these elements, chemistry is nothing. So we need to study about the elements. So what is element? It is a pure substance that contains only one kind of atoms or same kind of atoms. So at present scientists have discovered 118 elements. In that 98 elements were occurred naturally, are found naturally, and remaining made in lab, that is artificially discovered. So for this lesson you need to know at least 30 elements. First, its symbol and atomic number. So start with the first element, that is hydrogen. So atomic number 1 is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element in the earth crust, and even hydrogen, you know that hydrogen symbol is H. In our environment we'll see the hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide gases. Second, helium, symbol is He. Third element is lithium, Li. See, lithium already we'll see in a mobile batteries is made up of lithium ion batteries. Fourth is beryllium, symbol is Be. Fifth, boron, symbol is B. And sixth element is carbon, that is the element symbol C, and carbon is a widely used element in the earth crust. Maximum compounds are all made up of carbon compounds only. So There is a special lesson for carbon compounds in 10th class. We will see in the next year detail. Seventh element is nitrogen, that is N. Maximum in our atmosphere we have 78% of nitrogen in our environment, 78%. And next abundant element after nitrogen is oxygen, that is 21%. The element of oxygen symbol is O. And oxygen was first time invented by Joseph Priestley. Next element, atomic number 9th. Fluorine symbol is F. Next 10th, neon, symbol is Ne. First and second letter we taken here. And always while writing a chemical symbols, first letter should be capital and second letter should be small. You should not write both capital, like for example, if neon, if you written N and E, it is wrong, because we should not write both capital. We should write first letter capital, second letter small. Next, 11th element is sodium, which has a symbol Na. Why? Because sodium Latin name is natrium. That's why we have taken Latin name as a symbol Na. Yeah. So next, 12th element is magnesium, symbol is Mg. 13th, aluminum, Al. Aluminum we see in food wrappers, when you parcel food, it is covered with aluminum wrappers only. Silicon is the 14th element. Silicon chips, or even computers are made up of silicon chips. Integrated chips will be studied in generations of computer. It is made up of silicon only. So silicon, 14th element, and symbol is Si. 15th element is phosphorus, P. In agricultural field we will say the phosphorus as a manure. 16th is the sulfur. Sulfur is an element mostly abundant in earlier days. So when fire discovered brimstone, when two stones were crushed, we got a fire. Early man discovered fire by the brimstone. That brimstone contains a sulfur in it. The next element will go for 17th. It is chlorine. It is a greenish color gas. Symbol is Cl. 18th element is argon, Ar. And element number 19th is potassium, and it also have a Latin name, that is Kalium. That's why symbol is K, first letter. Next element, 20th, that is calcium, Ca. 21st element is scandium. 22nd element titanium. 23rd vanadium, and 24th chromium. So scandium Sc, titanium Ti, vanadium V, and chromium Cr. Next, atomic number 25, that is manganese, and symbol is Mn. Iron, Fe. It also has a Latin name, ferrous. That's why the symbol of iron is Fe. Next, 27th element is cobalt, Co. 28th element is nickel, Ni. 29th element is copper, and it also has a scientific name, Latin name cuprum. That's why the symbol of copper is Cu. And last element, that is zinc, and the symbol of zinc is Zn. So this is about the elements and symbol, and some elements I gave you Latin names. Next concept is how to remember these elements. Will get difficult to remember the elements. So I made some trick to remember the elements easily. And the trick is, here is a short story I'm going to tell you. Hi, hello means first letter, first symbol, and second element is hydrogen and helium. Hi, hello. Lion is reading BBC News. Lion is reading BBC News. You heard that? Usually human beings will read the news nowadays, but here lion is reading the news. Lion means lithium, beryllium. BBC means beryllium, boron, and carbon. news, N, nitrogen. By seeing this, uh, remaining animals will tell that, oh, what a funny. When lion is reading, then it is a funny. Oh, funny means oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Students, now we covered 10 elements. I will tell once again. Hi, hello. Lion is reading like this. Hi, hello, I am Lion. I am reading BBC News. By saying, listening that, some are telling that, oh, funny. Funny means uh, oxygen, fluorine, neon. All elements are covered in this. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. 10th element is neon, funny. Okay. Next, 11th element is here you may take as boys if it is that they can take as soma. Soma means sodium and magnesium. You may taken first and second letter. Common name only, vernacular name I taken here, not symbols. So soma or samya, they are actually alsi pupil. Alsi means will tell whenever they used to call, they won't give reply suddenly. So they will call them as alsi pupil. She is also pupil that also means aluminum silicon. Aluminum silicon. Pupil means P, phosphorus. She is sleeping in class. Sleeping, S means sulfur. Class, Cl means chlorine. But she is telling that sleeping in class is an art. Art means last element, 18th element, that is argon. So this is about the first 18 elements. Click to remember. Remaining elements I will discuss later on. And next we'll study about the matter in our surroundings chapter. Next session I will show the videos, PPT lessons in that class. Thank you for watching the video.